Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I have a question for you. How do you clean your camera? Or do we even clean your camera? A camera, to me, is a photographer's primary tool. And like any other primary tool, you need to take care of it. You can take all the time that you need to set up for that perfect, breathtaking shot, optimal lighting, proper composition, and have it all ruined by a dirty camera sensor. In this video, I will demonstrate one method to clean your camera using my Sony Alpha 7 III camera. The process is the same for my Sony Alpha 6300, which at the moment is busy recording this video. Before you begin, make sure that your battery has sufficient charge. You can power on your camera, go to the menu, go over into the setup, and in the setup you should have a cleaning mode. On the Sony Alpha 7 III, the cleaning mode is on the setup 2 screen, and on the Alpha 6300, it is on setup screen 3. Go down and select the cleaning mode and hit enter. The image sensor will vibrate a little to shake off the dust. Once that's completed, power down your camera according to the instructions on the screen. Hold steady during the cleaning because you do not want to disrupt or possibly damage or shock your camera. In this case, I don't have a lens attached. I have the lens capped. Detach the lens cap. Place it down. And using a bulb blower, you can clean the image sensor and the surrounding areas. Take the bulb blower, keeping your camera angled down to let the dust fall out. I've seen many people clean their cameras with it angled up, and if you're blowing it, it just blows the dust around inside the cavity. When using the blower, do not use a liquid spray because you can make a mess with the water droplets getting inside of your camera. Also, do not place the tip of the bulb blower inside the cavity because you don't want to touch any parts and you don't want to damage anything. Also, do not blow very hard because you don't want to damage any of the components inside. Gently blow with the bulb blower to let the little pieces of dust fly out. That should be enough for most cleanings, and you can put the camera lens back on. You can also do the same type of process minus the camera cleaning mode on your lens. You may also need to use a swab. If you need additional cleaning, you can actually clean it with an optic cleaning solution and a sensor cleaning swab. I like to use these VSGO sensor cleaning swabs. Each swab is individually packed in a air-sealed container. You can open up the sensor swab, pull out the sensor swab, careful not to touch, just like a Band-Aid or anything else. Don't touch the end of the sensor. I have my optical cleaning solution. Pull out the swab. Place 2 to 3 drops on the swab. While still holding your camera down, place the sensor cleaning swab on one end of the sensor with light pressure. You don't want to damage any of the optics. Just drag it from one side to the other. Slightly angle the sensor the other way and pull it to the other side. That's all you need to do to clean the sensor. You don't want to press too hard. You want to go back and forth and smudge it. You just want to get any little pieces of dirt or dust or debris that may be stuck on there. When you're done cleaning your camera, you can place the lens back on the camera. They do sell different sizes of the swabs. Just make sure you get one, if you're going to use these, that fits your sensor. The idea is you want to have one clean stroke in both directions to get it clean. You don't want to have to go back and forth because you don't want any streaking, and you want something that covers the full size of the sensor for that reason. If you like this video, please click the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also click the notify bell to be notified of any future videos. Thank you for watching.